Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Concept Travel. Today I will be explaining about how to use pattern feature in a solid body. So if I have any block and over that if I have any small feature, so I want to pattern it. So I can do either a linear way or in a circular way. So first I will explain about linear pattern. So here I think you can see a 3D body where a cylindrical feature I have extruded here. You can see here. Now I'm going to pattern it. Ensure it this particular feature. Select the body. Okay. Knitted it. So now I want to pattern. So now I will select the feature. This one. Now actually some reference point. Okay. So from that point, what are the reference point we are giving? From that point, we are going to take the distance. Pattern means adding multiple instance. Okay. So this is the reference point. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. End point circle. Okay. So now it is automatically taking center. Vector, which direction you are going to pattern. So I am going to use this right side direction. Okay. Using this arrow. Now there are three options to pattern. Mainly three options like count and pitch, count and span, pitch and span. Count and pitch means number of instances and distance between each two different features. Okay. So I'm going to use count maybe 3 now. Pitch distance I will give. Pitch distance means center to center from one feature to another feature center. Okay. I will give 35. Okay. So now you can see the preview, the feature is going to come. This is the point. Maybe we can give a little more space, like I will give 50. You can see 50. Okay, so it is coming here. Maybe a little, I will make it 40. So it is coming here from center to center. 3, including the original, it will take 3. So if you press OK, it will come here. You can see. So 3 feature created. This is how we can pattern. You can see the left side navigator. You can see 2 instances. This is the original. Okay, original here. So always whatever the count you are giving, that includes original also. That's what it will take. Okay. Suppose if you are double clicking that, see right click, edit parameters, you can see 3. If you want to edit here 35 mm or 30 mm, okay. Now the same 3 instance, or you can increase, make it 4. Okay, press OK. See, so now I adjusted the pitch and increase the count. Okay, so like this we can go to this left side navigator, select the pattern feature, right click, edit parameters. There we can change that. Okay, so this is how count and pitch will work. So now this is in direction 1. Okay, so for example now this feature. Okay, now I will just delete this feature. So only the original will be there. Now I'm going to use pattern feature where I'm going to pattern it linear way using another option. So linear option, point, reference point, same location, center of this feature. Okay, vector this way, and option I'm going to use count and span. Count and span means number of instance we should give. Instead of pitch, I'm going to give total distance of the all the instance from starting point to end point. Okay, for example, I'm giving 3 instance. Okay, span distance 80 mm. So total 80 mm from starting point first instance to third instance. That is the span distance. So I'm taking 75. I'm typing 75. You can see. So it will adjust here. If I give 60, total span it will change. Okay, or maybe you can use the arrow to change the span distance. So now it is 59. Okay, 3 instances. We can move this arrow so that the span distance will move, and also if you change the count here, then you can see. So count increased, and also as per that span will increase. See, between each feature, 2 different feature, the distance will be, the pitch will be evenly maintained. Okay, here we can adjust only the count and total distance, that is the span distance. Okay, so if you press OK, you can see. So this is from option pitch and span. Hope you got it. So now pitch and span you can see. So now I will delete this feature. We will see another option. Go to the pattern feature and same select the feature where you are going to make it multiple instance linear pattern specific vector this direction. Here I am going to use pitch and span. Here I am not using count, only pitch and span. Pitch means distance between two features, span total length. Okay. So now pitch distance I am maintaining maybe 32. Span distance I will use 73. As per that it will update. Okay. Pitch 32 between two different features. Span distance 70. Span means total center to center from starting instance to last instance. That is a span distance. Okay, you can see 32 73. Press OK. Okay, so 3 instance you can see. Total length we are given the input only for pitch and span. Automatically it will take the count. So either if we give count on pitch, span it will take. So at least 2 inputs we should give. Remaining it will take automatically. Hope it is understood. Okay. So this is from completely linear pattern. Okay. And also in this linear pattern, I am double clicking edit parameters. Here you can see direction 2. Direction 2 also you can give. One more cursor you can give, and also you can give pitch distance 15 or 12 you can give. Okay, or maybe 18 you can give and press OK. See this another direction, it will come this direction. Okay, so this is from another, so both direction you can give. Okay, hope it is understood. Any doubt you can share it, comment. So next video I will explain about circular pattern. Okay, thank you.